The gross body dies, which is made up of earth, water, fire, air, and ether. But the subtle body of mind, intelligence, and ego does not die. It carries the soul to another womb. It may take little time, but wherever his attachment is, and he is remembering that attachment, that will be the destination. That he will be forced to take another birth in another species of life or the same species of life to fulfill his desires by force of nature, because he is attached to the effects of the three modes of material nature. If he is liberated